So you want to move pictures from your internal iMac hard drive to an external drive. And this process, by the way, would work very similarly on a PC, but I'm using a Mac. So in this demonstration, actually all of my pictures are already on an external drive, but I'm just going to move them to a different external drive because the process is exactly the same. So just pretend that this is my internal Mac hard drive, okay? First thing I'm going to do is click the plus sign up here next to folders, and I'm going to add a folder. And the folder I'm going to add is going to be on that new external drive that I want. And I have a folder already here called My Photos. I'm going to select that. Now you can go down if you want to create a folder to move everything to. Say if I didn't already have that, you just select New Folder. I'm just going to move everything to this My Photos folder because I'm going to keep the same structure that I have already over here. Now and I'm going to click Choose. By moving the pictures from within Lightroom, Lightroom will then know where the pictures are and you don't have to do anything to reconnect to them. If you make the move outside of Lightroom, like you go to Finder and you just move all your pictures over to another drive, when you come back into Lightroom, Lightroom's not going to know where your pictures are and you have to go and re-find them all, which is kind of a pain. This way you're good to go as soon as you've made the move. Now that I've added that folder, all I have to do is, if I go ahead and click the little down arrow here, you can see that new folder I just created on this other external drive. Let's say I want to move all these pictures in the 1985 folder and all of its subfolders. I just click and drag to the new folder on the external drive and it'll move everything for me, and there they are, they're moved. I say I want to move this folder, okay, same thing, click and drag, drop it right onto the My Folders, or My Photos rather, and it'll move everything, and there you are, you're done. And so now Lightroom knows where these pictures up here are. You don't have to go in and reconnect anything. You're basically done. That's all there is to it. Hope this has been helpful.